Hi, this is the Embroidery Warehouse. I'm bringing to you different types of hoops. There's a flat hoop, which is a tubular, and then there's a hat hoop. This will be for shirts and fabric. This will be for hats. So I'm going to start by showing you how to hoop a shirt. There's two parts to the hoop. You want your outer ring be down. Then you'll get your backing. Go over that. Now, with your t-shirt, you're going to want the hoop and the backing to be on the inside of the t-shirt, as you can see. Once you get your shirt centered to where you want it, where you want the design to be, make sure everything is flattened out. Take your top part, push it down on top of the other. Make sure it's nice and snug. Check it on the inside to make sure that it's gone all the way around. Make sure nothing's caught and that the backing is all the way wrapped up. Then you'll have this, you want to hear a drum. Boom, boom, boom. That will be your flat hoops. Now, on your hat hoops, you're going to use a hat gauge, which comes with the machine. It will attach to a table, as so. And this will give you a tool to help hoop your hats. Now that you've got that set up, you're going to take your hoop. Some have 2 straps, some have 1. This one has 2. So what you want to do, this is your center. This is where the center of your hat goes. This is what's going to clip into here, but also into your hat system on your machine. Now you just pop it in, you make sure these all lock in to place. Now you're going to take your hat, you're going to take your backing, have it underneath this little plate, the center plate, and then you're going to take the lip of your hat, fold it underneath as well. So now that you've got it underneath and you've got it centered up, you're going to take the strap, have the bill go in between. If you have just one strap, it'll be this one. So you want to go around the line of the bill. Then you want the inside on a 2-strap to be over the center bar. Now you're going to make sure that the clip goes in the slot, tighten it. Make sure everything is where you want it, tightened up, and pop it off. Then you want this part to meet up with this part. Depending on which way you've gone on your machine, it might be over here, it might be over here. Take it sideways, like so, around, slide it up, and lock it into place. Now that it's locked, it won't move, and there you go.